Get ready to meet the weirdest, wiggliest, and most wonderful creatures of Africa. From hairy hunters with glowing eyes to slimy critters that lurk in the dark, this book is packed with animals that are equal parts creepy and cool. Little explorers will love discovering the spine-tingling secrets of beasts like the ghostly eye, the giggling spotted hyena, and the hissing giant millipede.
Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. Rabbits are highly social creatures and thrive in groups. In the wild, they live in colonies called warrens. Rabbits are herbivores and primarily eat grass, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables. Their diet is high in fiber, which is essential for their digestive health. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. Bears vary greatly in size. The smallest is the sun bear, weighing around 60 to 150 pounds, 27 to 68 kilograms. While the largest is the polar bear, which can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Bears are found in a wide range of habitats. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Slithering, sidewinding, concertina, accordion-like movement. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. They often mate for life and are very protective of their partners and offspring. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land animal. Cheetahs rely more on stealth and speed rather than strength, as they aren't the strongest predators. Cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip for high-speed chases. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. Black bears are found across North America, from Canada and Alaska to Mexico, and from the Atlantic to the Pacific coasts. Black bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a dog's, and they rely on it to locate food. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. Hyenas are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. They can also remember complex paths and locations. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt and were often associated with the goddess Bastet. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. Cats are still used as pest controllers in places like farms, warehouses, and even the British Parliament. Cats have an exceptional sense of hearing and can detect Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws, which detect changes in water pressure and help them locate prey. Alligators have been featured in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands. Calves are more vulnerable, but adult moose can defend themselves with powerful kicks. Moose play a crucial role in their ecosystems by influencing plant growth and providing food for predators. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. They can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms of foliage daily. Giraffes are social animals that live in loose, open herds. These herds can consist of a few individuals to over 20, often including females and their young. Dolphins are considered one of the smartest animals on Earth, with large, complex brains. They exhibit advanced problem-solving skills, self-awareness, and the ability to learn complex tasks. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness shared by only a few species, including humans and great apes. Dolphins are highly social and live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to hundreds. They produce high-frequency clicks that bounce off objects, helping them determine the object's size, shape, and distance.
Some of Africa's creepiest creatures have the wildest tricks up their sleeves. The horned viper hides under the sand like a sneaky snake ninja, while the Goliath frog is so big it could jump over a toddler. And don't even get us started on the camel spider. It doesn't spin webs,